So this is question 5. Given that the point -1, 0 is a point on this quadratic curve, where ABC is not more than half. Given that this value is all in between x and half x squared plus 1 for all real number x, you're asked to find the value for this expression. So first of all, we will let fx equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. Because it passed through -1, 0, it means that 0 equals to a minus b plus c. And we also know that when x equals to 1, this will be equals to a plus b plus c. And on the right hand side, it is also equals to 1. A plus b plus c is equals to 1. Take the difference of these two equations, and we have b is equals to half. Since b equals to half, a plus c is equals to half. If we consider the graph of each function, then we'll see that y equals to x. This is a graph y equals to x. This is y equals to half x squared plus 1. So this is half. And it passes through 1 when this is equals to 1. And the graph ax squared plus bx plus c passes through -1, this point, and this point when it is equals to 1. In order to make this equality holds, the a has to be positive. If a is negative, then there must be some point that it is less than x. So what we know from here is a has to be positive and also not more than half. And when x equals to 0, this will be less than equals to c. When x equals to 0, this is less than equals to half. So c will have to be in between 0 and half. So we have these two conditions. Based on this condition here, we will have ax squared plus b minus 1x plus c is greater than or equals to 0. This is another quadratic equation that is always greater or equals to 0 for all x. It means that the discriminant has to be less than or equals to 0. The discriminant is b minus 1 squared minus 4ac less than or equals to 0. This is the discriminant. Since b equals to half, so this will be equals to -1 over 2 squared, 1 over 4, minus 4ac less than or equals to 0. So ac will be equals to greater than equals to 1 over 16. Since we already know that a and c are positive, we have the sum of ac, we have the product of ac, we can think of AMGM inequality. The AMGM inequality say that a plus c greater than or equals to 2 of square root ac. And we know that this is equals to half, and ac is greater than or equals to 1 over 16. Square root of it will be greater than or equals to 1 over 4. That is equals to half. Both sides are half. It means that in this case, the equality holds. The equality holds if and only if a equals to c. In this case, a equals to c equals to 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 equals to 1 over 2. 1 over 4 times 1 over 4 equals to 1 over 16. So this is the value. Now we can calculate the value here. A and c equals to 1 over 4, a squared would be equals to c squared. So this will cancel off, and we have only the b squared. B is equals to 1 over 2, so half squared. Half squared is equals to 1 over 4, so this will be 505. As such, 505 is the answer for question 5.